Kala ko wala lang. Wow!
If we try to, we can make it. Don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking, start your living, get your shoes on, go and dancing.
Si Dali ano? Nirarayo maka?
Living problems,
Muna dapat
we could
tayo.
solve. Try another, I know you got one. There's no hurry, the limelights calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me. Taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity.
Baka mahimatay eh.
Leave in with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer, bands behind you, crowds around you. Just talk to you. Nothing's better when they love you. Rumor has it there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us when we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. With you crazy. Tell my family I love them. Tell them that I'm doing everything I can to make it home for Christmas. I'll make it alive. Do it again, yeah.
Yun o!
Yan!
Pagkain kasi yun. Hindi na kasi yun masyado.
Kasi masabit lang pinakain.
Ang alam na nila. Ang utak na.
Sino ka yung get? Alam ko na to.
Medyo wala yung yaga niya.
Kaya mga kamangyan.
Go.
Sabi na, dito.
Ano ba ito ano?
Ilapag mo lang.
Wait lang.
Ito maganda fishing.
Ayan!
Nawala!
Oh my God!
Nawala!
Ang talino.
Pili ko magaling yun.
Ha?
Magaling yun.
Talino.
Laging busog.
What happened?
Hawak, bibisipin ko si Sheila, sabi niya.
I hate fish.
Ang talino.
I hate fish.
I hate fish too. I get kill this fish. I get cook.
Get it down.
Fishy.
And swimming and
Wait, Franz, wait. Alis ka dyan na.
Di ba pwede mas malaki yung
Come
parang egg, no?
Franz, come here.
I want the pool.
Oh, wait lang. Tita, sino muna? Alis ka dyan, Franz. Come here.
Kainin nyo to, ito.
Look.
Huwag mo iangat. Pag gumalaw na yung tali sa kaka...
Gumagalaw na.
Mga galaw na.
Oh. Ayos din eh.
Oh my God! Ang galing ko!
Yun o.
Bago madali lang yan.
Sige.
Paano ko nabibicturan?
Paano ba? Sabi mo wag gumalaw. Gawin mo yung kuya.
Ang galing ko! Oh my God!
Katamawa.
Isa lang yung ganito, ma?
Isudag.
Ang galing.
Oh, sumabit. Ikaw naman, Sir Danny, habang may video.
Grandpa muna, wait for grandpa. Fix the... Sir, wala pa ano?
Wala pa.
Lagyan mo pa.
Wala pa.
Kala ko nagpi-fishing ka, Sir.
Oo.
Sir, di ka marunong.
Sa kwento mo, nagpi-fishing ka.
Nag-arkila lang ako.
Iba yung lambat eh, no?
Iba yung ano, yung...
Manilenyo na talaga si
Lambat sa inyo, Sir.
Hindi. Yung pain, iba yung pain sa amin. Parang
Bulate.
bulate.
Ah, ano tayo?
Ganito lang, di ba?
Muro ami pa kayo dahil sa ano.
Sa dagat-dagat.
Ganito lang, di ba?
Yes.
Sir Daddy.
Ako yan, kinagat ko na yun, Sir.
Wow!
Wow! Galing kayo.
Video!
Ano na, Sir?
Video!
Gaganon-ganon ka pa sa'yo, Sir. Oh.
Sir Daddy, picture kita!
Picture ka muna, Sir.
1, 2, 3.
Grabe, oh.
Kasi Lolo Danny.
Okay. Okay naman, okay naman.